Halo teman-teman pembelajar sekalian, sekarang kita akan latihan bercakap dengan pola dengarkan dan ucapkan berulang-ulang agar mudah dipahami dan dapat dilakukan dengan santai maupun sambil tiduran. Mari kita mulai pembelajarannya. Accept. I cannot accept your money. Saya tidak bisa menerima uangmu. I cannot accept your money. Achieve. You must achieve whatever you want. Kamu harus mencapai apapun yang kamu mau. You must achieve whatever you want. Act. Don't act like you don't know anything. Jangan bertindak seperti kamu tidak tahu apapun. Don't act like you don't know anything. Add. I will add your money if you buy that book. Saya akan menambahkan uangmu kalau kamu beli buku itu. I will add your money if you buy that book. Admit. I admit that I like you. Saya akui bahwa saya menyukaimu. I admit that I like you. Affect. Read a lot can affect your knowledge. Banyak membaca dapat mempengaruhi pengetahuanmu. Read a lot can affect your knowledge. Agree. I agree if you continue your study. Saya setuju kalau kamu melanjutkan sekolahmu. I agree if you continue your study. Aim. The aim of this study to make you smart. Tujuan dari pelajaran ini untuk membuatmu cerdas. The aim of this study to make you smart. Allow. I will go vacation if my boss allow me. Saya akan pergi berlibur kalau bosku mengizinkanku. I will go vacation if my boss allow me. Announce. Tomorrow I will announce the result of English exam. Besok saya akan mengumumkan hasil dari ujian bahasa Inggris. Tomorrow I will announce the result of English exam. Answer. Tomorrow I will answer the question of English exam. Besok saya akan menjawab soal dari ujian bahasa Inggris. Tomorrow I will answer the question of English exam. Appear. She will appear tomorrow in this class. Dia akan muncul besok dalam kelas ini. She will appear tomorrow in this class. Apply. Don't forget to apply your knowledge well. Jangan lupa untuk menerapkan pengetahuanmu dengan baik. Don't forget to apply your knowledge well. Argue. Don't argue something that you don't know. Jangan memperdebatkan sesuatu yang kamu tidak tahu. Don't argue something that you don't know. Arrive. Tell me if they arrive here. Beritahu saya kalau mereka tiba di sini. Tell me if they arrive here. Ask. Don't ask why. Because she loves you so much. Jangan tanya kenapa, karena dia sangat mencintaimu. Don't ask why, because she loves you so much. Assume. They assume that English test is easy. Mereka beranggapan bahwa tes bahasa Inggris gampang. They assume that English test is easy. Attack. The dog attacks me. Anjing itu menyerangku. The dog attacks me. Attempt. I try to attempt the best for you. Saya mencoba untuk mengupayakan yang terbaik untukmu. I try to attempt the best for you. Attend. I try to attend your invitation. Saya mencoba untuk menghadiri undanganmu. I try to attend your invitation. Avoid. I try to avoid your problem. Saya mencoba untuk menghindari masalahmu. I try to avoid your problem. Become. I must become the best in the class. Saya harus menjadi yang terbaik dalam kelas. I must become the best in the class. Begin. I must begin to study hard for my exam. Saya harus memulai belajar keras untuk ujianku. I must begin to study hard for my exam. Believe. You must believe of your destiny. Kamu harus percaya pada takdirmu. You must believe of your destiny. Break. Please don't break the regulation in this place. Dimohon jangan menghancurkan aturan dalam tempat ini. Please don't break the regulation in this place. Bring. Could you bring me money? Apakah kamu bisa membawakanku uang? Could you bring me money? Build. I want to build home next month. Saya ingin membangun rumah bulan depan. I want to build home next month. Buy. She will buy many food and drink tomorrow. Dia akan membeli banyak makanan dan minuman besok. She will buy many food and drink tomorrow. Call. Don't forget to call me tomorrow in the school. Jangan lupa untuk menelponku besok di sekolah. Don't forget to call me tomorrow in the school. Care. I don't care if you don't want to study. Saya tidak peduli kalau kamu tidak mau belajar. I don't care if you don't want to study. Carry. I cannot carry those things. Saya tidak bisa mengangkat barang-barang itu. I cannot carry those things. Catch. I like to catch fish in the sea. Saya suka menangkap ikan di laut. I like to catch fish in the sea. Change. You must change your attitude at this time. Kamu harus merubah sikapmu pada saat ini. You must change your attitude at this time. Check. You must check your health condition. Kamu harus memeriksa kondisi kesehatanmu. You must check your health condition. Choose. You can choose anything that you want. Kamu bisa memilih apapun yang kamu mau. You can choose anything that you want. Come. You can come here anytime. Kamu bisa datang di sini kapanpun. You can come here anytime. Compare. You may not compare anything before know it. Kamu tidak boleh membandingkan apapun sebelum mengetahuinya. You may not compare anything before know it. Conduct. You may conduct meeting in this hotel. Kamu boleh mengadakan pertemuan dalam hotel ini. You may conduct meeting in this hotel. Consider. You must consider before do it. Kamu harus mempertimbangkan sebelum mengerjakannya. You must consider before do it. Contact. She always contacts me because she likes me. Dia selalu menghubungiku karena dia menyukaiku. She always contacts me because she likes me. Contain. This bottle contains chemical material. Botol ini mengandung bahan kimia. This bottle contains chemical material. Continue. You cannot continue your study this year. Kamu tidak bisa melanjutkan sekolahmu tahun ini. You cannot continue your study this year. Control. You cannot control what other people want. Kamu tidak bisa mengendalikan apa yang orang lain mau. You cannot control what other people want. Cover. You cannot cover your problem. Kamu tidak bisa menutupi masalahmu. You cannot cover your problem. Create. We must create our book now. Kita harus menciptakan buku kita sekarang. We must create our book now. Cut. Who will cut these vegetables? Siapa yang akan memotong sayuran ini? Who will cut these vegetables? Damage. He damaged my motorcycle. Dia merusak motorku. He damaged my motorcycle. Deal. I can not deal with you. Saya tidak bisa berurusan denganmu. I cannot deal with you. Decide. You must decide where we go this afternoon. Kamu yang harus memutuskan di mana kita pergi sore ini. You must decide where we go this afternoon. Define. You must define back about your profile. Kamu harus menjelaskan kembali tentang profilmu. You must define back about your profile. Demonstrate. That seller demonstrate the benefits their goods. Penjual itu mempertunjukkan keuntungan barang-barangnya. That seller demonstrate the benefits their goods. Deliver. That seller deliver their goods by using car. Penjual itu mengantarkan barang-barangnya dengan menggunakan mobil. That seller deliver their goods by using car. Depend. The answer depend on your option. Jawabannya tergantung pilihanmu. The answer depend on your option. Describe. Can you describe yourself? Apakah kamu bisa menggambarkan dirimu sendiri? Can you describe yourself? Determine. You can not determine your destiny. Kamu tidak bisa menentukan takdirmu. You cannot determine your destiny. Develop. We must develop our knowledge. Kita harus mengembangkan pengetahuan kita. We must develop our knowledge. Die. Everyone will die. Setiap orang akan mati. Everyone will die. Discover. You can discover good video in YouTube. Kamu bisa menemukan video yang bagus di YouTube. You can discover good video in YouTube. Discuss. You must discuss each problem that you have. Kamu harus mendiskusikan setiap masalah yang kamu punya. You must discuss each problem that you have. Do. She will do anything you want. Dia akan mengerjakan apapun yang kamu mau. She will do anything you want. Draw. He draws my face on paper. Dia menggambar wajahku di atas kertas. He draws my face on paper. Drink. He always drink chocolate in the evening. Dia selalu minum coklat di malam hari. He always drink chocolate in the evening. Encourage. He always encourage to study hard. Dia selalu menganjurkan untuk belajar keras. He always encourage to study hard. And you must end your cruelty. Kamu harus menghentikan kekejamanmu. You must end your cruelty. Enjoy. Enjoy life is a must. Menikmati kehidupan adalah sebuah keharusan. Enjoy life is a must. Ensure. He ensure that he will pass the English test. Dia memastikan bahwa dia akan lulus tes bahasa Inggris. He ensure that he will pass the English test. Enter. Make sure you enter the right way. Pastikan kamu memasuki jalan yang benar. Make sure you enter the right way. Establish. I will establish an English course. Saya akan mendirikan sebuah kursus bahasa Inggris. I will establish an English course. Estimate. I will estimate the price of your book. Saya akan memperkirakan harga dari bukumu. I will estimate the price of your book. Expect. I expect you can do that job. Saya mengharapkan kamu bisa mengerjakan pekerjaan itu. I expect you can do that job. Explain. I try to explain my planning. Saya coba untuk menjelaskan rencanaku. I try to explain my planning. Extend. She extends her hair. Dia memperpanjang rambutnya. She extends her hair. Face. You must face every problem. Kamu harus menghadapi setiap masalah. You must face every problem. Fall. She falls in love. Dia jatuh cinta. Feel. I feel good because this job. Saya merasa baik karena pekerjaan ini. I feel good because this job. Fight. They fight each other because of food. Mereka saling berkelahi karena makanan. They fight each other because of food. Fill. I always fill gasoline to my motorcycle. Saya selalu mengisi bensin ke motorku. I always fill gasoline to my motorcycle. Find. I must find the answer of your question. Saya harus menemukan jawaban dari pertanyaanmu. I must find the answer of your question. Finish. I must finish all my tasks. Saya harus menyelesaikan semua tugas-tugasku. I must finish all my tasks. Fit. She will do fit and proper test. Dia akan melakukan tes kecocokan dan kelayakan. She will do fit and proper test. Fly. Bird can fly and you too if you fall in love. Burung bisa terbang dan kamu juga kalau kamu jatuh cinta. Bird can fly and you too if you fall in love. Follow. I just can follow your steps. Saya hanya bisa mengikuti langkah-langkahmu. I just can follow your steps. Force. You can not force what I like. Kamu tidak bisa memaksa apa yang saya suka. You cannot force what I like. Gain. You must gain many benefit. Kamu harus memperoleh banyak keuntungan. You must gain many benefit. Get. You must get many benefit. Kamu harus mendapatkan banyak keuntungan. You must get many benefit. Give. I will give you much money. Saya akan memberikanmu banyak uang. I will give you much money. Go. They will go if they have money. Mereka akan pergi kalau mereka punya uang. They will go if they have money. Go. They will go if they have money. Mereka akan pergi kalau mereka punya uang. They will go if they have money. Grow. This plant grows slowly. Tanaman ini tumbuh perlahan-lahan. This plant grows slowly. Happen. I don't know what happened. Saya tidak tahu apa yang terjadi. I don't know what happened. Have. I don't have much money. Saya tidak punya banyak uang. I don't have much money. Hear. She cannot hear you. Dia tidak bisa mendengarkanmu. She cannot hear you. Help. Can you help me to do my homework? Apakah kau bisa menolongku untuk mengerjakan PR-ku? Can you help me to do my homework? Hit. You must hit hard that nail. Kamu harus memukul keras paku itu. You must hit hard that nail. Hold. Hold my hand if you are afraid. Pegang tanganku kalau kamu takut. Hold my hand if you are afraid. Hope. I hope you can help me. Saya harap kamu bisa menolongku. I hope you can help me. Identify. I can identify that picture because of you. Saya bisa mengenali gambar itu karena dirimu. I can identify that picture because of you. Improve. You must can improve everything that you know. Kamu harus bisa mengembangkan segala hal yang kamu tahu. You must can improve everything that you know. Include. We must go now, include you. Kita harus pergi sekarang, termasuk kamu. We must go now, include you. Increase. We must increase our income. Kita harus meningkatkan pendapatan kita. We must increase our income. Indicate. This signal indicates the network is not good. Signal ini mengindikasikan jaringan tidak bagus. This signal indicates the network is not good. Introduce. You must introduce yourself in this class. Kamu harus memperkenalkan dirimu dalam kelas ini. You must introduce yourself in this class. Involve. Don't involve me in this problem. Jangan melibatkanku dalam masalah ini. Don't involve me in this problem. Join. You can join with us. Kamu bisa bergabung dengan kami. You can join with us. Keep. Can you keep the area clean? Apakah kalian bisa menjaga areanya bersih? Can you keep the area clean? Kill. This thing can kill mosquitoes. Benda ini bisa membunuh nyamuk. This thing can kill mosquitoes. No, I know you can do it. Saya tahu kamu bisa mengerjakannya. I know you can do it. Launch. I will launch my book next week. Saya akan meluncurkan bukuku minggu depan. I will launch my book next week. Lead. They will lead us to the top of mountain. Mereka akan memimpin kita ke puncak gunung. They will lead us to the top of mountain. Learn. It is not easy to learn while working. Tidaklah mudah untuk belajar sambil bekerja. It is not easy to learn while working. Leave. Don't leave me alone here. Jangan meninggalkanku sendiri di sini. Don't leave me alone here. Let. Don't let her go alone. Jangan biarkan dia pergi sendiri. Don't let her go alone. Lie. Don't lie to me. Jangan berbohong padaku. Don't lie to me. Like. She doesn't like me because I am ugly. Dia tidak menyukaiku karena saya jelek. She doesn't like me because I'm ugly. Limit. Don't limit yourself many things that can be learned. Jangan membatasi dirimu sendiri banyak hal yang bisa dipelajari. Don't limit yourself many things that can be learned. Listen. Don't listen to him because he doesn't like you. Jangan dengarkan dia karena dia tidak menyukaimu. Don't listen to him because he doesn't like you. Live. I live with my parents. Saya tinggal dengan orang tuaku. I live with my parents. Look. Look, she comes here now. Lihat, dia datang ke sini sekarang. Look, she comes here now. Lose. I lose my wallet in this garage. Saya kehilangan dompetku di garasi ini. I lose my wallet in this garage. Love. She loves you, but you don't love her back. Dia mencintaimu, namun kamu tidak mencintainya kembali. She loves you, but you don't love her back. Maintain. You must maintain your achievement. Kamu harus mempertahankan prestasimu. You must maintain your achievement. Make. We can make cookies and drinking if we are hungry. Kami bisa membuat kue dan minuman jika kami lapar. We can make cookies and drinking if we are hungry. Manage. We must be smart in manage our time. Kita harus cerdas dalam mengelola waktunya kita. We must be smart in manage our time. Mean. I don't mean hurt your heart. Saya tidak bermaksud melukai hatimu. I don't mean hurt your heart. Measure. I cannot measure how deep your heart. Saya tidak bisa mengukur seberapa dalam hatimu. I cannot measure how deep your heart. Mention. I will stay here until she mention my name. Saya akan tetap di sini hingga dia menyebut namaku. I will stay here until she mention my name. Miss. I must be hurry or I will miss the bus. Saya harus cepat atau saya akan ketinggalan busnya. I must be hurry or I will miss the bus. Move. We must move rapidly. Kita harus bergerak dengan cepat. We must move rapidly. Need. I need you to help me here. Saya membutuhkanmu untuk membantuku di sini. I need you to help me here. Notice. You must notice your job. Kamu harus memperhatikan pekerjaanmu. You must notice your job. Observe. I always observe how to cook well. Saya selalu mengamati bagaimana memasak dengan baik. I always observe how to cook well. Obtain. I can obtain anything that I want. Saya bisa memperoleh apapun yang saya inginkan. I can obtain anything that I want. Offer. She offers me a cup tea. Dia menawarkanku secangkir teh. She offers me a cup of tea. Open. She opens the door for me. Dia membukakan pintu untukku. She opens the door for me. Order. They order pizza right now. Mereka memesan pizza sekarang. They order pizza right now. Organize. I will organize all event tomorrow. Saya akan mengatur semua kegiatan besok. I will organize all event tomorrow. Own. I own many books. Saya memiliki banyak buku. I own many books. Pass. I have passed from my college. Saya sudah lulus dari kampusku. Pay. Don't forget to pay your order. Jangan lupa untuk membayar pesananmu. Don't forget to pay your order. Perform. This is the time for us to perform. Ini waktunya untuk kita tampil. This is the time for us to perform. Pick. You must pick the best for us. Kamu harus memilih yang terbaik untuk kita. You must pick the best for us. Plan. You must plan our schedule for tomorrow. Kamu harus merencanakan jadwal kita untuk besok. You must plan our schedule for tomorrow. Press. Press that button to turn on the laptop. Tekan tombol itu untuk menyalakan laptop itu. Press that button to turn on the laptop. Prevent. You must take a rest to prevent sick. Kamu harus beristirahat untuk mencegah sakit. You must take a rest to prevent sick. Produce. Produce content in YouTube is not easy. Menghasilkan konten di YouTube tidaklah mudah. Produce content in YouTube is not easy. Promise. Promise to me that you will come here tomorrow. Berjanjilah padaku bahwa kamu akan datang di sini besok. Promise to me that you will come here tomorrow. Promote. My boss will promote you to be a manager. Bosku akan mempromosikanmu untuk menjadi seorang manajer. My boss will promote you to be a manager. Propose. He proposed to take that job. Dia mengusulkan untuk mengambil pekerjaan itu. He proposed to take that job. Protect. He protects me from my enemy. Dia melindungiku dari musuhku. He protects me from my enemy. Prove. I can prove that you are wrong. Saya bisa membuktikan bahwa kamu salah. I can prove that you are wrong. Provide. I can provide many books for all of you. Saya bisa menyediakan banyak buku untuk kalian semua. I can provide many books for all of you. Pull. Don't forget to pull that rope. Jangan lupa untuk menarik tali itu. Don't forget to pull that rope. Push. Don't push me. Jangan mendorongku. Put. Don't forget to put that bag to the right place. Jangan lupa untuk menaruh tas itu di tempat yang tepat. Don't forget to put that bag to the right place. Raise. Raise your hands if you want to ask something. Angkat tanganmu jika kamu ingin menanyakan sesuatu. Raise your hands if you want to ask something. Reach. I cannot reach your knowledge. Saya tidak bisa menjangkau pengetahuanmu. I cannot reach your knowledge. Read. We must be diligent to read any books for knowledge. Kita harus rajin untuk membaca berbagai buku untuk pengetahuan. We must be diligent to read any books for knowledge. Realize. We must realize that each problem must be solved. Kita harus menyadari bahwa setiap masalah harus diatasi. We must realize that each problem must be solved. Receive. We must receive our destiny. Kita harus menerima takdirnya kita. We must receive our destiny. Recognize. I cannot recognize your face. Saya tidak bisa mengenali wajahmu. I cannot recognize your face. Record. I always record each my conversation. Saya selalu merekam setiap percakapanku. I always record each my conversation. Reduce. I cannot reduce my blood pressure. Saya tidak bisa mengurangi tekanan darahku. I cannot reduce my blood pressure. Refer. My knowledge refer to digital learning. Pengetahuanku mengacu ke pembelajaran digital. My knowledge refer to digital learning. Refuse. I cannot refuse your invitation. Saya tidak bisa menolak ajakanmu. I cannot refuse your invitation. Release. My band will release new album. Bandku akan merilis album baru. My band will release new album. Remain. She remains to keep her toys. Dia tetap menyimpan mainannya. She remains to keep her toys. Remember. Remember, we must come tomorrow in wedding our cousin. Ingat, kita harus datang besok di pernikahan sepupunya kita. Remember, we must come tomorrow in wedding our cousin. Remove. You can remove that desk to your room. Kamu bisa memindahkan meja itu ke kamarmu. You can remove that desk to your room. Replace. Who replaces these books? Siapa yang memindahkan buku-buku ini? Who replaces these books? Report. My friends report that there is a storm in my town. Teman-temanku melaporkan bahwa ada sebuah badai di kotaku. My friends report that there is a storm in my town. Require. That company requires an IT staff. Perusahaan itu membutuhkan seorang staf IT. That company requires an IT staff. Return. I want to return this laptop in the office. Saya ingin mengembalikan laptop ini di kantor. I want to return this laptop in the office. Reveal. Ria reveals that she doesn't pass English test. Ria mengungkapkan bahwa dia tidak lulus tes bahasa Inggris. Ria reveals that she doesn't pass English test. Rise. We wait for sunrise. Kami menunggu matahari terbit. We wait for sunrise. Run. I run for exercise almost every day. Saya berlari untuk latihan hampir setiap hari. I run for exercise almost every day. Save. I always save my money in bank. Saya selalu menyimpan uangku di bank. I always save my money in bank. Say. Don't say anything to me. Jangan mengatakan apapun kepadaku. Don't say anything to me. See. I can not see you if you use mask. Saya tidak bisa melihatmu jika kamu menggunakan topeng. I cannot see you if you use mask. Seem. She seems cannot join in this meeting. Dia tampaknya tidak bisa bergabung dalam pertemuan ini. She seems cannot join in this meeting. Sell. She sells all my books with low price. Dia menjual semua buku-bukuku dengan harga yang rendah. She sells all my books with low price. Send. I cannot send money because my money in account is zero. Saya tidak bisa mengirim uang karena uangku di rekening kosong. I cannot send money because my money in account is zero. Separate. You must separate between job and family. Kamu harus memisahkan antara pekerja dan keluarga. You must separate between job and family. Serve. My parents serve many foods and drinks. Orang tuaku menyajikan banyak makanan dan minuman. My parents serve many foods and drinks. Set. I always set my schedule almost every day. Saya selalu mengatur jadwalku hampir setiap hari. I always set my schedule almost every day. Share. They share their knowledge to all of us. Mereka membagi pengetahuannya ke kami semua. They share their knowledge to all of us. Shoot. That criminal shoots his victim until die. Penjahat itu menembak korbannya hingga meninggal. That criminal shoots his victim until die. So, They show me how to do that program. Mereka menunjukkan padaku bagaimana mengerjakan program itu. They show me how to do that program. Sit. I can not sit because there is no chair. Saya tidak bisa duduk karena tiada kursi. I cannot sit because there is no chair. Speak. Don't speak louder than your action. Jangan berbicara lebih keras dibandingkan tindakanmu. Don't speak louder than your action. Spend. Don't spend your money. Use it well. Jangan habiskan uangmu, gunakan dengan baik. Don't spend your money, use it well. Start. You can start to eat before I come. Kamu bisa mulai makan sebelum saya datang. You can start to eat before I come. Stay. You can stay here if you want. Kamu bisa tinggal di sini kalau kamu mau. You can stay here if you want. Stop. You can stop working if you are tired. Kamu bisa berhenti bekerja kalau kamu lelah. You can stop working if you are tired. Strike. The fish strike my bait. Ikan itu menyambar umpanku. The fish strike my bait. Study. We must study harder than before. Kita harus belajar lebih keras dari sebelumnya. We must study harder than before. Suffer. Study harder is a cure from a suffers. Belajar keras adalah obat dari sebuah penderitaan. Study harder is a cure from a suffers. Suggest. He suggests us to study well. Dia menyarankan kami untuk belajar dengan baik. He suggests us to study well. Supply. They will supply us foods and drinks. Mereka akan menyediakan kami makanan dan minuman. They will supply us foods and drinks. Support. I need your support. Saya membutuhkan dukunganmu. I need your support. Suppose. I suppose give you much money. Saya seharusnya memberikanmu banyak uang. I suppose give you much money. Take. I always take my laptop everywhere I go. Saya selalu membawa laptopku dimanapun saya pergi. I always take my laptop everywhere I go. Take. I need you to take my bag in the room. Saya membutuhkanmu untuk mengambilkan tasku di kamar. I need you to take my bag in the room. Talk. I never talk with Sinta. Saya tidak pernah berbicara dengan Sinta. I never talk with Sinta. Talk. I can not talk with you again. Saya tidak bisa berbicara denganmu lagi. I cannot talk with you again. Teach. I teach many kids now. Saya mengajar banyak anak-anak sekarang. I teach many kids now. Teach. I teach English and computer. Saya mengajar bahasa Inggris dan komputer. I teach English and computer. Tell. Tell me if you are hungry. Beritahu aku kalau kamu lapar. Tell me if you are hungry. Don't tell him anything. Jangan beritahu dia apapun. Don't tell him anything. Think. I think you must go now. Menurutku, kamu harus pergi sekarang. I think you must go now. Think. I never think that you can do that job. Saya tidak pernah berpikir bahwa kamu bisa melakukan pekerjaan itu. I never think that you can do that job. Throw that ball well. Lemparkan bola itu dengan baik. Throw that ball well. Throw. Don't throw that garbage here. Jangan lempar sampah itu di sini. Don't throw that garbage here. Train. I always train English speaking in the school. Saya selalu melatih percakapan bahasa Inggris di sekolah. I always train English speaking in the school. Travel. Travel everywhere is so fun. Bepergian kemanapun sangat menyenangkan. Travel everywhere is so fun. Treat. Don't treat me like that. Jangan memperlakukanku seperti itu. Don't treat me like that. Try. I try to study new program. Saya mencoba untuk mempelajari program baru. I try to study new program. Try. They try to help me to do my work. Mereka mencoba untuk menolongku mengerjakan pekerjaanku. They try to help me to do my work. Understand. We must understand if borrow something. Kita harus paham kalau meminjam sesuatu. We must understand if borrow something. Understand. I can not understand what do you want. Saya tidak bisa memahami apa yang kamu mau. I cannot understand what do you want. Use. Can we use your motorcycle? Apakah kami bisa menggunakan motormu? Can we use your motorcycle? Use. I always use my motorcycle for traveling everywhere. Saya selalu menggunakan motorku untuk bepergian kemana-mana. I always use my motorcycle for traveling everywhere. Visit. I always visit my parents every week. Saya selalu mengunjungi orang tuaku setiap minggu. I always visit my parents every week. Help. I don't want to help you anymore. Saya tidak mau membantumu lagi. I don't want to help you anymore. Vote. I will vote for you to become mayor. Saya akan memilihmu untuk menjadi wali kota. I will vote for you to become mayor. Wait. Don't wait for me if you want to go. Jangan menungguku kalau kamu mau pergi. Don't wait for me if you want to go. Wait. Please wait for me if you want to go. Mohon tunggu saya kalau kamu mau pergi. Please wait for me if you want to go. Walk. We must walk now before raining. Kita harus jalan sekarang sebelum hujan. We must walk now before raining. Walk. I don't want to walk again. Saya tidak ingin berjalan lagi. I don't want to walk again. Want. We want to take your car now. Kami ingin membawa mobilmu sekarang. We want to take your car now. Want. What do you want? Apa yang kamu mau? Watch. I like to watch music concert. Saya suka menonton konser musik. I like to watch music concert. Watch. I only want to watch movie. Saya hanya ingin nonton film. I only want to watch movie. Wear. Don't forget to wear your jacket because outside is so cold. Jangan lupa untuk memakai jaketmu karena di luar sangat dingin. Don't forget to wear your jacket because outside is so cold. Win. We will win if we study harder every day. Kita akan menang kalau kita belajar lebih keras setiap hari. We will win if we study harder every day. Win. I never win in playing Mobile Legend. Saya tidak pernah menang dalam memainkan Mobile Legend. I never win in playing Mobile Legend. Wish. We wish you will be happy forever. Kami mengharapkan kamu akan bahagia selamanya. We wish you will be happy forever. Work. I work that assignment almost every day. Saya mengerjakan tugas itu hampir setiap hari. I work that assignment almost every day. Write. We must write a lot of invitation letter for our ceremony day. Kita harus menulis banyak surat undangan untuk hari perayaannya kita. We must write a lot of invitation letter for our ceremony day. Sekian dan terima kasih. And thank you. See you on another video.